Good morning. It is Sunday here. On the rare occasion we miss church, there's usually a good reason. We are going to Tyler's dad's retirement get together, and it's at
and 60th birthday.
And 60th birthday, and it's at a oh, by the way, we forgot Zachary's birthday at the present at the house. Let's go back and get it. Oh, and we already forgot something. Hold that thought. Okay, so it's actually Garrett's birthday present we left at the house. Anyways, it's a state park. Is it at Lake Texoma?
Yeah.
At Lake Texoma, so about an hour-ish north of here. The kids are fighting over who gets to hold Leia, so yeah, so we're hoping it doesn't rain the whole time we're there, or I mean, it's gonna be fun regardless, but some of the family stayed there last night in their shelters they have. Our family likes the outdoors, but we're not really a camping family.
Speak for yourself.
Well, Tyler will do the deer lease and stuff, but I'm just not the camping type. Maybe glamping. But these weren't even glamping. Honestly, we didn't even have a choice. We couldn't leave until this morning. So we're just going for the day. So it's gonna be a full day. I have no idea what I'll be showing you on this video, but it should be fun and entertaining and an adventure. Leia is going with us, so yeah.
It'll be a good experience of a Texas day at the lake. We're gonna do some jug lining for catfish.
We are?
Yeah.
See, I don't even know what we're doing or what's going on. Total side note, but try to ignore this little friend that popped up that I clearly couldn't leave alone, because she'll probably be here a while. But I haven't shared this before. This is the Ningxia Red amazing drink. It's only 2 ounces, and I love these packets so I can take them on the go. But this is the highest antioxidant drink on the market right now, and it's a blend of the Chinese wolfberry. Do not take my drink. Stop. I only brought one. Okay, we're gonna have to go back home and get more. That is so messed up.
I needed my 32 carats. You can take it in one shot.
Okay, it's more than 32 carats. It's equivalent to all this goodness, and the Chinese wolfberry, Google it. You'll be like, what? I need some of that.
It's goodness in my belly.
Yeah, so it's a blend of the Chinese wolfberry with therapeutic grade oils blended in it.
Well, did you not want me to have therapeutic grade oils this morning? You were just therapeutic grading yourself?
Hey, Mommy, I want.
Well, yeah, because I'm sure you've already eaten a breakfast bar or something, and I've had nothing.
Oh, well, I've had nothing.
Okay,
Daddy.
so this is messed up, because I was gonna let you see me drink it. I mean, you could mix it with water if you wanted,
but you got to see how easy and quick it is for me to drink it.
So guys, this is something you need to add into your daily routine. Even if you don't do oils, but you need some extra, this gives you extra energy. It's good for your skin. It's all natural. There's so much superfoods packed into this. Seriously, Google the Ningxia. Well, the wolfberry is found in the Ningxia province in China. So another reason I'm like, hey, China, we love China over here. Anyways, check it out. I'll be happy to hook you up with some of these. So you can get them in bottles or these packets, and they're better chilled. So just a random side note. Also, something else I brought. Okay, so if you're not using natural deodorant, which I'm gonna be ordering some from Young Living, but this is another good company, because again, if you're not using Young Living, that's fine. Just make sure you're doing your research and using, checking labels, checking the ingredients. But I've been using this natural deodorant ever since I learned about what regular deodorants have. They have aluminum, and you're putting it underneath your arm where you have the most...
Is that where you put deodorant, babe?
Yeah, underneath your arm, where you have the most lymph nodes in your whole body. And I mean, it's just like, let's just put cancer up in there. No.
I thought that you were supposed to put it on the bottom of your feet.
So natural deodorant, it's working. Okay, some people say that it might cause a rash at first, just depending on your skin. I didn't have that issue, not with this sensitive skin deodorant. But, and this is not an ad, I'm just trying to hook you guys up. This deodorant works well, but I feel like sometimes I have to apply it 2 or 3 times because it maybe doesn't like help with smells as well. So just being honest, since we're going outside, we're gonna be outside all day and it's gonna be humid and I'm likely gonna be sweating more than usual. I brought this along with me so I could kind of reapply, because when you reapply it kind of refreshes and stuff, but this stuff is good. And another thing to Google deodorants, maybe the brand you're currently using, look it up, see what the ingredients are, what you're putting underneath your arms. That's my second tip of advice for the day. Not to mention I brought stress away because I know that I'm gonna need this. Willow, you took your shoes off.
Yeah. Look at that.
Shocker.
Vlog back.
Did you sleep good? Aiden?
I take my shoes out now.
We're going through a drive-through. That's why our kids are not properly sitting up in their
I take my shoes
seats.
off.
What is that?
Shimon! Shimon! Leia, what are you doing?
There's only one supervillain who specializes in like that.
Weather's not looking too great this way, babe.
Uh-oh.
I didn't bring any ponchos or anything. We might look like wet dogs after this.
Whoa. Set up a little spot for Leia, and we are here for Tyler's dad's 60th birthday and retirement. You having fun?
Yeah, but Aiden's behind me.
Is Aiden chasing you?
Yeah.
Like always? What? What? Yeah, that's for Willow to Leia to lay down. Whoop! Whoop! Careful! Look at all that bacon and sausage. Yummy fruit. They're all practicing the floss.
No, it's on the video.
Just got YouTube.
Are you all done eating? Got a little bit of eggs left. Do you hear that thunder? Do you hear it? Listen. Oh, what's that noise? Is it thunder? Leia. Whoop. Gotta stay here, sister. Playing football and soccer. Willow fell in the mud, and so now it will not leave my hip. Literally, she's on my hip. Willow, can you say hi? Hey, hey. You need to be a tough girl, brave girl. Hey.
Oh.
Yes, you need to be a big girl.
Bye.
Oh, bye. Are you saying bye? So we have trapped ourselves inside
Just release the dam.
here because it's pouring rain. This is our current situation.
Work towards the tent.
Willow, are we going on a ride?
Yeah. On a boat.
Going on a boat ride?
Need a set of antlers.
Oh, wait, I just made something up. We're going to be alive. She will be dead.
You already went for one swim. You're good, okay? Alright, we're about to head out. Our adventure today is going to end before more rain comes. We had fun celebrating Tyler's dad, and now we are heading home. Till next time, friends.
Go
See you
Cowboys.
later. Oh, Tyler says go Cowboys, so. And that's a wrap. All right.